In March of 2009, he self-produces a mixtape in his dorm room as a junior at Duke University. In October of 2009, after signing with Sony, he follows up with another self-produced mixtape, which sets the stage for 2010. His mixtape track, Cooler Than Me, becomes a massive worldwide hit, selling 3 million singles in the US alone and going top 10 in 15 different countries. Did we mention he graduated early with a 3.6? His second and third singles go platinum in the US. So what does he decide to do for 2011? Make another mixtape on some hip-hop shit. DJ Benson and Don Cannon present, in association with BroBible.com, featuring B Major, Big Sean, Big Crit, Casey Veggies, Elza, Machine Gun Kelly, Michael Franti, Slim Thug, Twista, with production from the man himself, Mike Posner. The Layover, November 20th, 2011.